Introducing our next generation 3-wheel wire cutting system. Upgraded weight to 660 kg, more solid, more stable, less vibration. Equipped with a new oil-water separator, the system significantly reduces mist and vapor during cutting. Tri-wheel tension design ensures smoother diamond wire motion and greater precision. Ideal for hard and brittle materials that demand ultra-fine accuracy. Smart reminders alert users when it is time to replace grooves and diamond wire. Equipped with precision memory, continue cutting exactly where you left off. Trusted across ceramics, ferrite, glass, and more. Stable performance, consistent results, refined in every detail for the future of precision cutting. Now, let us take a look at the cutting results in action.